Right now you can see that the language of the interface is in English. And if you want to go around and change around the language of the interface, then what you can do is you can click on the user button right here. Then what you can do is you can go around onto language, and from available language options, as you can see, you can go around and choose the one you want. Let's say, for example, if I were to select Spanish right here, then what happens is that it refreshes out the page, and now everything is in Spanish, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around over here and click on this one right here, that is on the video editor, then you can see that everything is in Spanish right here, just like this. So the like subtitles right here, as you can see, is in Spanish, and so forth right here. So that is how basically you can go around and choose around the language right here of the interface. And if you want to go ahead and change it back to the previous language, then all you need to do is click on the profile again and then go around over here and choose English, and the page will refresh and the language will change out just like this again. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe